Welcome to my channel, children. Meenakshi is here with this book, Books for Class 11th of ML Agarwal, CBSE as per the CBSE syllabus with code number 241 for Class 11. Exercise was 6. I was dealing with the exercise number 6.4. Exercise of ML Agarwal for Class 11th. CBSE code 241. Okay. Question number 9. 8 up to 8 already been done in my previous videos. So the question is, if k 2k plus 2 and 3k plus 3, they are in GP. Find common ratio. It is easy. First of all, we have to find the value of k, then afterward the ratio. Okay. Condition for these three terms, these three regular terms are in GP, will be what? That A2 upon A1 is equal to A3 upon A2, or we can say A2 square will be equal to A3 into A1. Same thing. Okay. Putting these value in this equation, what we'll get here? It means A2 is equal to, this is A2, this is A3, and this is A1. A1, A2 and A3. Now A2 square, it means A2 square, this will be equal to A3 into A1. Now A2 is equal to 2 times K plus 2 whole square. This will be equal to A3 is equal to 3 times K plus 3 into A1. A1 is equal to K. This is the condition from which we can find the value of K. This will be equal to what? Open it. 4 times K square plus 4 plus 8 times K. This will be equal to 3 times K square plus 3 times K. Or 3 times K will come this side, left hand side terms will come towards the right hand side, will get here. Simple K square plus 5 times K plus 4 is equal to 0. Now, this is the value of the K is to be found by using the value formula, that K will be equal to, as we know, that AX square plus BX plus C is if the equation, then X, the value of X will be equal to minus B plus minus root of B square minus 4AC upon 2 times A, where A are the multiple of x square, B is the multiple of simple x, and C plus C is equal to 0. C is without x. Same is over here. K can be obtained by using this formula, where A is equal to 1, B is equal to 5 plus 5, and C is equal to plus 4. Then K value can be written as minus B, it means minus 5 plus minus root of B square means 25 minus 4 times A is equal to 1 into C, 4 upon 2 times A is equal to 1. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 5, C is equal to 4. It means the value of k will be equal to -5 plus minus root of 4 4 the 16, 5 minus 25 minus 16 is equal to 9 upon 2, that is -5 plus -3 upon 2. It means the values of k are 2. One after taking the positive sign over here, another is with negative sign. It means the value of k will be either equal to -3, -5, -3 is equal to -8 by 2, that is -4. Or say this is the first value of k, and then k next value that will be by taking plus point here, we'll get here -2 upon 2, that is 1. Hence the ratio will be also 2. The ratios, now we can find the common ratio. Common ratio is A2 upon A3, A2 upon A1, A2 upon A1 is equal to R. This is R, है ना? Okay. A1 is equal to K. A2 is equal to 2K plus 2 upon K. This is the common ratio. Okay. Putting the value first value of S is when K is equal to -4. For this, the common ratio R will be equal to -4 plus 2 upon 2. That is 2 into -4 is equal to -8. -8 plus 2 upon 2, that is -3. 2 upon 4, that is -3 by 2. This is the first answer. Okay. Now second case, R is equal to 2K plus 2 upon K, when K is equal to what? K is equal to -1. K is equal to -1. Then in that case it will be equal to -2 plus 2 upon 2, that is 0. The answer will be only minus R will be equal to, hence the ratio is our answer will be R is equal to -3 by 2. This is answer. This is answer. ठीक है. K की डिफरेंट वैल्यू निकली, दो डिफरेंट वैल्यू निकली, दो वैल्यूज रखिए, एक में वो 0 हो जाता है और दूसरे में -3 by 2 हो जाता है. दिस इज सिंपल. दिस इज टू बी ऑलवेज इन योर माइंड हाउ वी कैन सॉल्व इट, क्योंकि इसके फैक्टर्स नहीं होते. वी कांट फैक्टराइज दिस इक्वेशन. So this formula is to be applicable. Okay. Thanks for watching my video, and please don't forget to give me some thumbs up and subscribe me. Okay. Like and subscribe, कमेंट दीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, और जो लोग हैं मुझे और मेरे टच में रहिए. सब एक एक क्वेश्चन में स्टेप बाय स्टेप आपको कराऊंगी. यू विल बी वेरी मच परफेक्ट इन जीपी. दैट इज माय प्रॉमिस. मोटिवेशन मिलता है. अच्छे कमेंट दीजिए. अगर आप नहीं देंगे तो हम डिस्करेज हो जाते हैं. थैंक यू. गुड लक फॉर यू.